Tallinn. That is Tallinn Open. 16 teams from 11 countries are playing for the tickets to FIBA World Tour stage in Lausanne. Check it out.
I was only 8, slowly fate took its turn. I'm where hookers earn money and drugs sell. It ain't hard to tell. I went to Peck Elementary, less than Jacody. To graduate, I had to take a semester with homies. Too busy writing, none of my time went into my assignments. Jot a line as my rhyme gets beneath. Yo, let me start you from the genesis, far from where the finish is. No role models, just empty bottles of Guinnesses. Roaches in the ashtray, tossing, getting fast cash. The ski mask way from those who never passed class, born inside of poverty. Probably they stack bread and crackheads never looked alive to me. Robberies in liquor stores, tricks and whores. Reality was sick as yours, so I blow trees stronger than sycamores. Now wait, let me get back to my past as I rewind mine before I got on in 1999. Mother gave birth to this divine mind.
Back home.
Radio Solar.
finally. See you next year.